Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been drowning in documents, PDFs, notes, and random idea, today's tool might just be your new best friend. We're diving into MyMemo, an AI-powered knowledge assistant that's available right now as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Check out the link in the description to grab your lifetime deal before it's gone. Let's get started. What is MyMemo? MyMemo is more than just a notes app. It's an AI-based personal knowledge hub that lets you upload content like PDFs, videos, web pages, even images, and then uses AI to summarize and organize everything for you. Think of it as your second brain, but one that never forgets and works 24/7. Key features. Visual. List of features with icons. Unlimited AI chat. GPT-4o powered engine. Supports PDFs, audio, video, web pages. MemoCast feature for active recall. Smart search across all files. Memo collections for organization. One of my favorite features is MemoCast. It turns your stored information into digestible flashcard-style content for better learning and retention. Plans and pricing. MyMemo is available on AppSumo with free lifetime plans. The basic starts at $39, giving you 1,000 uploads per month, and scales up to an unlimited plan at $117. All plans include GPT-4o access and MemoCast. Check out the link in the description to grab your lifetime deal before it's gone. Pros and cons. Now, let's break it down quickly. Pros. Supports a variety of content. GPT-4o for advanced summarization. MemoCast for easy review. Affordable lifetime deal. Great for students, researchers, and content creators. Cons. Mobile optimization could be better. No audio recording yet for voice notes. Final verdict. If you're someone who handles a ton of information daily, MyMemo is a no-brainer. It's smart, simple, and super useful. For a one-time payment, this tool easily pays for itself in saved time and mental clarity. Hit the like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more SaaS reviews. Check out the link in the description to grab your lifetime deal before it's gone. See you in the next video.